Steal a Brainrot full guide and tutorial Noob to Pro. In this video, I will show you how to use Steal a Brainrot. So to get started, go ahead and join a server. So launch the game into Roblox. So you can go ahead and click on this play button to be able to launch the game on Roblox. And then once you're on the game, make sure to use WASD to move and shift to sprint and E to interact. So your first objective is to find and steal your first brain rot. This is usually lying around or held by NPCs. So as you can see, this is how steal a brain rot looks like. So at the middle, you'll be able to find all of the brain rots you can buy with your current money. And then as you can see, each of the users on the server has their own small house where they can keep their brain rot. So your first objective is to steal one of the brain rots that you can find on your neighbor. So learn the map, explore the map to find safe zones where you can hide high value brain rot spawns and escape routes to avoid other players. So stealing brain rots, sneak up on NPCs or players holding brain rots. And to be able to steal brain rots, go ahead and click on the E button on your keyboard to steal one close. Avoid being seen, so stealth is key early on. And then after collecting enough brain rots, you can rebirth to unlock new abilities. Rebirthing resets your progress but gives you permanent boost like faster movement, better stealth, access to exclusive areas. And for advanced strategies, use disguises or blend in with NPCs. Team up with other players temporarily to bait and steal, and lure players into corners and steal when they're distracted. So take note, always keep moving. Standing still makes you a target. Use verticality, climb buildings and ledges to escape, and watch for patterns in NPC movement to predict brain rot spawns. And that is Steal a Brainrot full guide and tutorial Noob to Pro.